Hi UP families. Today we're going to learn about less area compare, or LAC, you might hear it be called. We will learn, families will be able to understand the basic concepts of less area compare and understand benchmark facts. Let's take a look at what benchmark facts are. Our benchmark facts are 0 times 1 all the way to 5 times 5. These are our facts that your student needs to know to help them understand multiplication. And we have also learned these 10 times 1 to 10 times 10 facts. These facts will also help us, especially in these less area compare or LAC when we deal with times 9 or multiplication of 9, a factor of 9. So please take a look at these facts and make sure your student knows them. Now, getting to know less area compare. The third and final strategy is less area compare or LAC. This strategy is similar to MAC, but the new fact is one less row than the benchmark they used to help them find the area. Again, students will be overlapping and we'll be drawing the benchmark with the fact to compare the area. They again will be looking for one side or a factor that is the same, but this time the new fact is one less row of how many squares than the benchmark. So here's an example. This is a rectangle of 4 by 4, 4 times 4. The benchmark to help them is a 4 by 5. So they think of a bigger benchmark, a 4 times 5. So students say, I know that a 4 times 5 is 20. Well, since a 4 times 4 is one less row of 4, then 4 times 4 must be 20 minus 4, or 20 minus 4 is 16. So 4 times 4 is 16. Let's look at an example that I will build for you for less area compare. This is also a poster that your child will receive. Please keep this next to your child as we're learning less area compare and use this as a reference as you're trying to help them. So let's build a less area compare out of these rectangles and area. So our fact that we're trying to find today, let's go with a 3 times 9 or a 3 by 9, we might say. And we're going to use a less area compare on a 3 times 9. So what we're going to do is we think to ourselves, well, I know a 3 times 10. It's one of the first facts that we know. So 3 times 10 would be 30. So let's build a 3 times 10. So this is a 3 times 1, a 3 times 2, a 3 times 3, a 3 times 4, a 3 times 5, a 3 times 6, a 3 times 7, a 3 times 8, a 3 times 9, and a 3 times 10. So we would say that we know a 3 times 10, and we would write it out like this as well. We'd go, we know a 3 times 10 equals 30. Now to get less area compare, we have to subtract. So we're going to subtract this one row right here, which would be a 3 times 1, or we will call it a 3 by 1 as well. So if we can subtract, 3 times 10 is 30, minus that row of 3 times 1, will get us 27. So then we would say 3 times 9, or 3 by 9, is 27. Using this less area compare with a fact we know gets us that less area, which we're looking for is a 3 times 9. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher. Thank you.